Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to watch more latest videos very fast. Hello friends, welcome to New Mind Garden. In this video, I am going to talk about top 10 terrace garden plants that are going to turn your terrace into amazing personal garden. Watch entire video so that you can get beautiful plants idea. I will also discuss short caring tips for these plants. So let's take a look at these plants. Hydrangea. These plants are known for creating amazing flowers. They vary in color. They need frequent watering and moderate light. These plants grow well in soil containing organic material. Good drainage is vital. These plants like moist soil. They need several light fertilizer application in March, May and June. My new friends in this channel, please subscribe the channel clicking the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to watch more free videos from this channel. Begonia plants are extremely easy to grow. They are well suited for shady location. They don't need a lot of direct sunlight for their growth. Their water requirement is like any other average plant. Shady, cold temperature is good for them. Morning glory. Their flowers open only in morning. The flowers are very attractive. You can't look away from it. They are vines and can grow as much as 4 meters in height. Indirect sunlight works the best for them. They need a lot of water. Marigolds bloom in various colors like red, white, yellow and orange. These small pom-pom like flowers enhance the beauty of the garden. They are extremely low maintenance, look really bright. They need less sunlight to grow, moderate amount of water. They need sunny or half sunny location. Soil should be drained, fertile and moist. Hibiscus is a beautiful and colorful flower. They need a lot of direct sunlight. Many varieties and colors available. These plants love rich and well-draining soil. Their water requirement is like any other average plant. Pansies are amazing. Their butterfly-shaped flowers are beautiful and are available in many colors. These slow-growing plants can grow well in shade. They have a very mild fragrance to them. They are some super popular plants for your terrace. The flowers are very attractive. They can be grown in small pots. coleus. They are bushy and have distinct leaves. It comes in various forms. So whatever color you want to paint your garden in, bring one of these plants to make it instant look good. Need sunlight in an average amount. If you want to keep them in best condition, water them regularly. Jasmine flower is very graceful and highly fragrant vine that blooms all summer long. Make sure the soil with a 2-inch layer of compost whether planting your jasmine in a container. Erica palm is what you should definitely get if you want your terrace garden look lush green in color. They are also air purifying plant. They don't need much sunlight. If the size of your terrace garden allows, make the choice of some trees. In full sun, grow lemon tree. You can grow some dwarf fruit trees like pomegranate, guava and even mango in pot if your climate allows. Don't forget to care about water requirements, humidity levels and sensitivity of each plant. Take a look at some fruit plants ideas. I hope this video will help you to make a beautiful roof garden. I will be very happy if you please let me know down below in the comment section what are the other plants on which I should make a video for you. Thank you very much for watching the video.